Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel introduce. Zstar portable air conditioners, highlight features or overview summary are include. 3-in-1 function and remote control. The air conditioner portable for room includes 3 modes to choose from: cool, dry and fan. 45 pints/day dehumidification capacity with basketless self-evaporative operation keeps your room cool, clean and dry for all your cooling and ventilation needs. Quiet and powerful. This 8000 BTU portable air conditioner is suitable for rooms up to 350 square feet, providing you with steady, fast, effective cooling, keeping you cool and comfortable all summer long. Sleep mode lets you rest extra quietly with a top setting of 42 decibels. Easy to operate and low noise, LCD full function remote control and top mounted silent LED display with 24-hour timer allow you to precisely control the air temperature. To clean the filter, just slide it out twice a month, rinse it thoroughly under running water, and put it back in place. And the next highlight feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel will introduce is easy to install and move. Simply roll this air conditioner on wheels to any room with double hung or sliding windows. Connect the included hose and window adapter, plug it into an outlet. The freestanding air conditioner with 4 casters can be easily moved from room to room. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.